cheap. With a sweeper, I'm sweeping the streets. We don't talk to police. I ain't even go off my seat. Me went back as a treat. Fucking the back, she a free. Bunch of leading in general. I say for the critiques. Made an enemy the number one. I'm just finding my beat. If I speak, I'm in trouble, you know. This kilo in London, this fucking, you know. I told my mom we can't suffer no more. Popping this lean out to rip off the cell. I remember days I was skipping my meals. I was skipping no meals, you know. But I need some more, yeah. Everyday hustle, everyday juggle, everyday leaning, everyday struggle. Came out my feelings, I went high. Like Michael Jordan in Space Jam. Busy baby, I got big plans. If you ask about me, I'm a great man. I fell asleep in the night, Rolex time. I saw came to the cash, ASAP. I'm not really a showbiz man. Waiting for my guys to touch these roads. Waiting for the day that I see them blind. VVs, LV, Hermes, CC's man. Wait for the drums and members, guess I'm part of a serious band. This ain't for the weak. If you slap me, no turning the cheek. Observing the place that I speak. She never when I fuck up the ski. I ain't driving a Jeep.
Move delete.
We don't talk to police. I ain't even go off my seat.
RS3.
You went back as a treat. Fucking the back, she free. Bunch of lean in general. I say for the critiques. Made an enemy the number one.
No, you don't need.
Yo, sticks and a rivals twinning, we docked up clicking, I lost my head. Who said that Joe's been dying? The last time I checked this all in the pavings dead.
Blackburn Edition.
Little man got put in his place, 2 rumble blades, got stuck in his chest.
We don't waste no time on rejects. We let them flip us as a reflex. Me on my block, I'm jerking, putting his money on defense. Wear some Hermes slippers, up on Santa collect on the weekends. Pulled up in the RS3 car, half of the A-were your best.
We went to war with half of the town, the FT still holding it down. We watched, then shaved him down, why you think that our vids get taken down? Non-stop 30 years if the rag gets on top. So it's like 30 rep, but I've got 3-2 like Reg. The beef gets on top, it's on top. If the zinc gets on top, if the gang bring out the skills, it's gun. The last time that I stepped round there, none of them wanna step round there no more. Got slapped by the toe.